So today we're gonna do it a little bit different. First of all, welcome to vlog number 97, I think. Anyways, so with this video, I want to show you two versions. One is stabilized and one is not stabilized. And we're walking over here on the Vitosha Boulevard, or Boulevard Vitosha. I'm always mix those up. So anyways, I started my vlogging with the GoPro Session 4 that I actually bought from a pawn shop for an incredible price, and then after I sold that one with a little profit, I bought myself the GoPro Hero 4K, the small one. And with this video you can see a version that is stabilized through the app and a version that is not stabilized, and you can guess probably which one is stabilized and which one is not. But this is not a typical product review, camera review, because I thought like this a little bit a different kind of vlog than the usual training and talking about the red flags about people and strategies and working structures, and and like this you can see also a little bit more of Sofia. And the thing is, if you would consider to buy the GoPro Hero 4K, the small one, 87 grams I think it is, I will correct it if I'm wrong. But anyways, if you think to buy it, because the price is actually incredible, I bought it on a very, very good deal, especially when I sold the other one with a little bit of profit. So when it's about the GoPro Hero stabilizer, you need first to upload it to the app from your camera, and then from the app you download it to your phone. For some people that actually, I watched some videos and some people say, yeah, that's a lot of work. But the thing is, yes, it does take a little bit time, but I just shoot the video, I put the camera and the phone in my bag, and it just does what it does. And I record the clips always, and if you watch my previous vlogs, I'm always recording them just raw, mostly unedited. Now I started with a little bit the B-roll things, so to make the videos look a little bit more interesting. And when it's about my vlogging journey, as some professionals, let me also tell you this: I'm totally not into tech when it's about cameras, phones. As long as things are simply working and it does the job for me, it's good enough. I don't need the fastest, or of course along the way I probably will end up with a very professional camera. But I had a talk with somebody about this, because I am totally not into cameras before I start vlogging. So, and I started with the GoPro Session 4, very outdated. I bought it and when you watch this is 2025, and I bought it I think a few months ago when I really started this vlogging. And what really attracted me to that tiny camera, you can film, but it's very private in one way, because that held me back for a long time, because when you film with the phone, on the back is the camera, people get paranoid. And with the GoPro Session 4 it was really, people could see that they're not on the camera. And that was also really something, and that made me also push me a little bit over the boundaries, that kept me a little bit back when it's about start vlogging every day. And this is the thing, when it's about the GoPro Hero 4K, for me it does the job, I think, and I do believe that the colors look nice. I actually watched some other videos also, and they said, yeah, the colors are too much, but you know what? I don't see those things yet. Probably after 1 year, when I will look back on my videos, maybe I will develop the tech part, but also understand a little bit more about lightning and all that kind of stuff. And then maybe I will laugh about the things that I'm saying now. But you know, I think overall my whole vlogging journey will be laughed at from myself and maybe also from others, you know, after 1 year. Because, and when it's about my vlogging journey, I just try to improve my speaking, the filming. I'm trying to stick also on topic in a single vlog. I'm making sure that I start using a little bit B-roll, you know, and I'm also not always 100% sure what I can use when it's about music. And you know, I would also love to implement, you know, to add those movie moments when I say, for example, a word and that there's some famous scene from a movie, but I don't know how that works with the copyright thing. But anyway, when it's about the comparison thing, you know what, like this, when I shoot or create a vlog like this for today, and by the way, I mounted my camera on the left strap of my backpack, so that's why you could see probably on the left that one is not stabilized, and on the right side it is. And I'm not trying to hold it very steady or any like this. So, but you know what, with this format from today's vlog, you can see a little bit of Sofia. You know, over here we're walking on Endika, you know, in the center of Sofia, Bulgaria. And the thing is, before I'm gonna close this vlog, and I noticed this from many people and even sometimes Bulgarians, I'm gonna give you a little bit of tip, and then this vlog comes to its end. I just want to smack two flies with one slap, you know, a little bit of look around, a little bit speaking. And when you come to Sofia, Bulgaria, download the mPass app for that. And because I see a lot of people pay with a credit card, but then you pay every time, I don't know what, 2 leva or something. But with the mPass app, you pay one time 4 leva for every day, for the whole day. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the view, and you know, ciao for now.